And today I'm preparing the best Father's Day meal. We are doing Braised Brats. It's a family favorite, and so I wanted to show you guys how easy it is. So we're going to get right into it. We've got our little braising pan, nice and hot. All right. And just a tiny little bit of olive oil, just enough to get them going. Into our hot pan goes our brats. Okay. And we're just going to start these in our pan. And again, we just want to get a good sear on these, as much all around the sides as we can. We don't have to have every square inch, but as close to that as we can is what we want. Now, they're seared on all the sides, so now we're going to deglaze our pan. Okay, now we've added a whole bottle of the Miller High Life to this, and we've turned our heat down too, because we just want them to gently braise in that fluid. And what you want, guys, is you want something that's not overpowering in flavor, just kind of mild flavor. That's why I use the Miller High Life in that. Okay, now we've got our heat down on low, and we're just going to let these cook till they're almost cooked through. So they're going to go for about 5 more minutes. So they'll have a total of about 10 minutes in that braise. Okay, guys, now to go with our brats, we're doing a caramelized onion. And these are so easy, but you always want to go with more onions than you think. It takes more than you think. So I have 3 whole onions cut up here. And you can chop them, or you can slice them in little pretty ringlets. These we did a semicircle kind of slice on these, so that we've got that beautiful display when it goes on top of the brats. And guys, remember the thing about caramelized onions is you just start them off on a little bit of a sizzle, and then immediately turn your heat down to where they're just gently cooking. See that beautiful caramel color they're taking on? And that's what you want, but they're going to cook way, way down. And that just requires a low heat and a little bit of time. So you have to be patient with them. And keep them moving. You got to check them every couple of minutes. And keep that heat on low. Okay. Now, we're going to let these dry just a little bit before we hit them on a grill pan. But you could take them from this place, add some sauerkraut and some fried apples to it, and you've got a nice little German dish right there. Okay, these onions are almost done. Those are probably going to time out perfectly with these brats. Good. So we're going to go ahead and start loading these brats. All right, and these won't take but just a minute or two. You see how easy this is, you guys? Oh my goodness. Yeah. And Dad's gonna love it. Okay, guys, our brats are ready. Our caramelized onions are done. So we're gonna plate this up. Now, before I put that brat on there, let me get. And guys, this is something that I really like. You use what you like, and of course, do it the way Dad likes. But I like a generous spread of a German mustard. To me, that is just super great. All right, and then load that with our brat, just like that. And then we're going to get some caramelized onions across the top. Again, I like this kind of stuff, so I'm being generous with what I like. But you do what suits you. make sure you make Dad his favorite style of brat. So we got our brat, our coleslaw, our potato salad. And don't forget to check out that video on that homemade 3-ingredient coleslaw. It will change your life. And if you're looking for a new recipe for potato salad, check out that, and I'll have that in the link for you as well. And guys, oh my goodness, I think we're ready for Father's Day. You make sure you celebrate the father in your life, whether it is whether you're born into that family or whether God has given you somebody special. Make sure you honor them, all right? And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.